Best hotel ever. Perfect location, walking distance from tram to train station. Restaurants, shops and stores walking distance from hotel. Located in a quiet environment. Spacious rooms. Breakfast buffet okay. Exceptional staff were helpful. 24-hour front desk. Excellent location, walking distance from tram and train station. Lots of food options around the area. Great hotel. The hotel was very clean, the staff was very nice, highly recommend this one. Coolest one. The hotel is not in the heart of the city, but you can always get the tram/train, the station is only 4 to 8 minutes away, and Amsterdam is not that big. At least 3 supermarkets nearby. The staff are nice and helpful. The room is very cool and there's concerts almost every night. Yes, they got thin walls so I have to lower my voice in the night. But it's a nice place to stay. Recommended. Great stay at Factory. I would recommend Factory especially if you're looking for a less expensive option in Amsterdam without going the hostel route. The rooms are cute and clean and did the trick. The location is about a 45-minute walk to Central, but the tram line is close and very easy to use, so you can get to downtown in about 15-20 minutes. Válido Hotel. No frills. Ubicado and Centro Cultural. Buona posizione. Very good. This hotel was unique and interesting. Staff were very nice. Location was good, shops and restaurants were nearby. The room had a fridge. Already left a review. Decent room for the price but can be noisy. The price for the room is quite good for Amsterdam. The hotel is accessible by tram and train. But it could be noisy at night. There was a night I can hear concert from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Very good. Very new, clean and tidy. Staff were very friendly and helpful. Location close to public transport. A little expensive, but that's Amsterdam accommodation.